Hi everyone, this is Coach Laudiaann Silvis. I'm actually going to move my camera here. Um, I am looking for people that are interested in getting more leads, and I actually have a website where you can get multiple leads from spending a lot of money. Now, how many of you guys do paid advertising with Udemy? What other resources? Maybe you're putting a lot of money advertising your website on solo ads. And guys, I found this website because a lot of the marketers are using this, and it's actually a secret. Okay, I've already uploaded some videos earlier, 4 months ago. My earlier videos. If you want to get more information about my lead gen secret, you can. All right, I started in July, but now I have almost 19,000 leads now, business opportunity leads, and I mail one email a day. All right, and I actually share my mind hacks, like with Wesley Virgin, Done For You services. I do different affiliate links that I support other products from other companies, and it's really been helpful for me, and I just wanted to share it with you to see if you will be interested. You can also make money here if you want to be an affiliate marketer, but I use my lead gen secret. What I do, I take some of those leads and I actually go into my get response, and you can actually add some of the leads there, and you can promote whatever product you're doing through email marketing. Okay, that's another strategy of reaching organic people interested in your products. Okay, and so how do you get more leads? All right, I'm going to share with you how I get more leads with my lead gen secret. Right here, what is a funnel? Okay, a funnel is a way to introduce people to your product or services. Okay, so when you generate those leads, you accumulate prospects to look at whatever you're offering, right? And if those prospects are interested in your whatever you have, you will get customers. Okay, and you can do this through email marketing. All right, and if you guys are interested in sales funnels, I do have the lead lightning. It's I have awesome places where you can do capture pages to create your landing pages. All right, this is my lead gen secret. I'm gonna just go in and just share a little bit about what's in the system. Anybody can join. It does cost, trying to get inside, it does cost $30 a month, so that's actually $1 a day a lead, and for 30 days you actually will get 3,000 leads. All right, if you recruit one person, you will get 6,000 leads. All right, and by the way, everyone, I am Coach Laudiaann Silvis, and thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click on that link below if you love my videos. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you can get updated, fresh videos from me. I do post more than one video a day, so you can check out my website and my YouTube channel website. Right, this is what I've already mailed out, and I do promote the Done For You services and the Overnight Millionaire, and it all goes out to all of the opportunity well, actually, I have sent out 9,000. Yeah, they allow 9,000 leads, all right, to be mailed. So I have 9,000 leads. So I have 9,000 people looking at this. How many people opened it? 1,781. You know, it just goes up and down. So you can see for yourself that people are looking at my ads on my email marketing strategy, one of my email marketing strategies. Okay guys, so my lead gen secret, grab your copy now. Okay, I have actually the link below if you want to get started in advertising. This is the best way to do it. Okay guys, and you can actually download the list. Let me show you my leads. I'm gonna open one. Okay, let's open this one to see it. Look at all these leads from all these people. It's a lot. You got their email address and everything. I'm going down quick. I don't want you guys to see their information, so I'm going up and down really fast. Alright guys, so I'm gonna log off now. Hope this helped you guys. This is just a little quick review. If you're interested in getting more customers, you can get your leads here, your business opportunity leads. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you can get more valuable information that I can offer you. Alright, bye guys.